Welcome to Oak Tree Dubbo. Step into one of our thoughtfully designed villas, low maintenance, comfortable and built with your lifestyle in mind. From the open plan living to the quality finishes throughout, every detail has been considered to make daily life easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet, it's a space that's been carefully put together to feel like home from the moment you walk in. Take a look around. We think you'll feel right at home.